Okay, I got me some more nice toys for my garden. Some more metal garden beds. Put them together, didn't take that much time, just a lot of time taking all that plastic off of it. Got these off of Amazon. They 3 feet by 3 feet round metal garden beds. I'm going to upgrade this area here that I have my 3 feet by 3 feet grow bags here. I'm gonna put the metal around them to support the bags a little better and be able to put more soil in this area, in these bags too, with the support of the metal frame around them. Let me get busy putting these over here, making this area look a lot better. And then I'm gonna clean out this bed and get ready to plant some more cabbage over in this area, along with these green beans that's still hanging in here. I let them stay on until they die all the way off. Okay, let me get busy making this area look beautiful. Yes, it looks a lot better over here with the metal raised beds. Okay, look nice. And the grow bags are pinned up against the metal that hold them up, so they stand up and not flop all over like they were before. I'm gonna come over here and clean out these beds, amend them, and plant some more cabbage over in this bed. Looking great, yes you are. Okay.